In this year's Halloween episode, we're taking a look at Ring, the video doorbell service that doesn't just protect your home, it captures every costumed visitor at your door hungry for that Halloween candy. And we'll also take a look at a group of Cornell students engineering wearable robotic fabrics that could one day make your Halloween costume an emotion sensor. Technology is guarding our homes and blending with our bodies, but is this the ultimate treat or the biggest trick?